Now question based on combined mean. Okay. Now the average height of 25 female teachers in a school is 160 centimeter and that of 35 male teachers is 175 centimeter. Find the mean height of the teachers in the school. Now a very simple question. Now let x1 mean and x2 mean represents average height of female teachers and male teachers respectively. Now therefore x1 mean it is 160 centimeter, x2 mean is 175 centimeter, n1 it is given 25 female teachers and n2 is given 35 male teachers. Okay. Now formula: combined mean n1 x1 mean plus n2 x2 mean upon n1 plus n2. Now this is equal to n1 is 25, 25 into 160 plus 35 into 175 upon 25 plus 35. Now this becomes 4000 plus 6125 upon 60. This is equal to 125 upon 60. Now x mean is equal to 168.75 centimeter. Now this is what? This is the answer.